Stephen here from Lucid Dreaming for Eejits. Now, you've probably noticed that this video is a little bit different. There's no green screen, most of the lights are gone, the Christmas tree is up, there's no teleprompter, I'm coming at you unscripted, you know, just you and me, intimate, you know. First of all, I just want to say thank you. The support for the channel so far has been amazing. Just in the last couple of days, we hit 250 subscribers. I never really planned for this to be a big thing. It was just a little bit of fun for me. I'm still working a full-time job. I'm not making any money from these videos. I probably never will, but that's okay. I'm just doing it for a bit of crack. I've probably spent more money already on these videos than I'm ever going to earn from them. And that's not going to stop me from spending any more. In fact, I just did a little bit of Christmas shopping there on Black Friday, and I picked myself up one of these yokes. A GoPro. Got 200 quid off it, and we're gonna be able to do some mad old first-person lucid dreaming shite with this. The last video I made, which was the wild tutorial, did very well. Thank you so much for liking and watching that. That tells me two things though. It tells me that a lot of you are just as interested as wilds as I am, which is great. And also maybe a lot of you are more experienced and you're not that interested in the beginner stuff, which is also good because we've kind of covered a lot of that already, and we're going to be kind of continuing with the more advanced stuff for now, I think. So we've got a lot of stuff to look forward to there in the new year. As you know, Christmas is coming up, and I couldn't really keep the whole green screen shite going for the whole holidays. Like, the missus would probably kill me, so I had to pack that up. And I was thinking about maybe not doing another video, you know, before Christmas, but then I thought maybe we can do something a little bit different, just a nice little chat, you know, and you guys can kind of get to know me a little bit, and I can get to know you a bit more. You know, like, the channel is growing now, and I'd like to get to know the community a bit. So what I've planned is between now and the next video, there's going to be a part 2, and I'll do that before Christmas. But you guys can send in some questions, and you know, just any kind of questions that maybe you have about lucid dreaming or about the channel, you know, the direction it's going. Maybe you have some ideas or some things that you'd like me to cover, some topics or techniques that you kind of are interested in and you'd want to know more information that maybe I could do in a video, or, you know, maybe I could just answer in the next one if it's something that I could answer quickly and not, you know, have to make a 20-minute video about, which, you know, I could still do, but next year. All right. And it doesn't even have to be about lucid dreaming techniques, or, you know, maybe you just tell me a bit about yourselves, where you're from, what got you interested in lucid dreaming, how you found the channel, that kind of thing, you know. Maybe you guys have your own kind of lucid dreaming channels or websites or something like that, and, you know, you should feel free to share them with me, and I'll go and check them out, and if they're any good, you know, I'll give them a shout out and all, you know. Yeah, I'm sound like that. So just get your questions or comments just down below there, or, you know, on Twitter or Facebook or wherever you want to contact me. Just get them all in and I'll gather them all up, and then we can get a little conversation going for the next video. Some other things I'll probably talk about in the next video as well is a few little sneak peeks about what I've got planned for the new year, for the next few videos. I'm really excited about some of those topics that I'm going to cover, and there's going to be a little surprise as well. Like, what else did I want to talk about? You see, this is a bit all over the place because I've no script or teleprompter or anything to kind of help me here, so I'm rambling a little bit, but sure, look, I'll hopefully be able to make some sense of it in the edit. Hopefully. Feck it, what else did I want to talk about? I'd love to be making more videos. more often, but like I said, I've got the full-time job. It takes a lot out of me to make these videos, and I'm probably gonna have to dial it back even a little bit, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna keep going. More than ever, I'm really motivated to grow the channel even more and make even better videos going forward. As you saw, I'm always investing into the channel, even if I'm not really getting much in return and I'm not asking for anything. Just your continued support, and yeah, you guys are making it all worth it. So thanks for all the comments and everything you've been sending me. Someday I'll go back to freelancing full time, and maybe I'll have more time to kind of work on the channel then. But for now, just, you know, I'll keep doing what I'm doing, and I hope you guys will kind of keep supporting it. But most importantly, if you're not enjoying it, you need to let me know. Don't just go disliking it and for, you know, not tell me why. So if there's something you're not happy with, you know, I want to see if I can fix it. Now, if it's just you don't like the look of me, then there's not much I can do about that. Sorry. But if it's something that can help improve my channel going forward, the least you could do is let me know, and then maybe we can turn things around, and you'll like me again. I just want you to like me. I just want to be loved by everybody. So I don't know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, before I forget, I didn't want to just make a video where I just ramble on and not give any advice about lucid dreaming. So I have dropped the link down below to a guide that I wrote recently on the Facebook group, the Lucid Hive 2.0, which is a group of other like lucid dreaming enthusiasts and content creators that post regularly. So check out that post and check out the group if you're on Facebook and it's something that you're interested in. I know some people don't like Facebook, and that's fine, okay? I'm not making you go on Facebook. It's just, if you want to read it, go and read it. It's called My 3 Hours of Lucid Dreaming, and it's kind of my mantra when doing something like mild. So just check that out if you want. So yeah, like, I don't know what else to say. Like, just get your comments in, and we'll talk about them in the next video. So until then, like and subscribe. Don't eat too many mince pies, and click the bell. And I'll see you again in a week or two, whenever we get around to it. But it'll be before Christmas, okay? So I'm not gonna, like, you know, wish you happy holidays or anything like that, because I'll see you again. Alright? Sound.